Weather.
Today has been a beautiful day to spend some time outside. Temperatures 10+ degrees above average, and yes, we've had the clouds filter in, but it's still pleasant. 66 in Tuscaloosa if you're heading out this evening. It's still pretty comfortable, a little bit cool. We still have the breeze, and tonight temperatures falling through the 50s ahead of tomorrow morning. We'll start tomorrow morning in the upper 40s, and tomorrow afternoon it's not much different. A few spots further south could maybe hit that 50-degree mark, but it's going to be cold and rainy, and our low temperature may even occur a little bit after sunrise morning once we get some of the rain to move in and we cool down just a bit. So as you can see, take advantage of the rest of this evening because tomorrow it's just going to be a little bit miserable outside, especially with the rain. Mid-60s for most of us at this hour. We've got some upper 50s, DeKalb County up toward Marshall County, but down I-65 you go, it's mainly mid-60s. So if you're stepping out, it's nice, maybe just the light jacket. Some rain already working in from the west. Sumter County getting a little bit of rain, but this is it. This is the system that's bringing our rain overnight into Sunday. This one doesn't bring severe weather to Alabama. It's just good old-fashioned rain, and there's some heavier downpours in there you can see, but tomorrow it's just going to be one of those messy days. If you're traveling, if you're getting out early tomorrow morning to go to church, pack the rain gear because you're going to need it. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Another thing with this system, we've got some gradient winds, so the wind gusts, breezy, gusty every now and then. So don't be surprised if you wake up and have a few things scattered across your porch tomorrow morning. We've got wind gusts gusting up to 30 through the afternoon tomorrow. So rain spreading in early tomorrow morning, and during the afternoon it looks like that's when we get the heaviest activity right along I-65 and to the west. And notice the wind gust still gusting above 20 in many spots, and this sticks with us all day tomorrow. So again, pack the rain gear if you have plans by 5-6 p.m. Heavier stuff north and west of Birmingham, but then it sticks with us through after dark. On Monday, we start to see some clearing. I think a few showers are possible on Monday morning, and then we start to see clearing through the afternoon. We've got another nice week ahead heading into next week. So this system brings about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain, but this is the rainfall for the next 7 days, and we're not going to see a whole lot until next weekend. So once we get through tomorrow, we've got some beautiful days ahead. Take advantage next week. Temperatures mild back in the 60s. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday just looks fantastic again. And then heading into the latter part of next week, another system moves this way, and I think we'll see a messy weekend next week.